welcome back to
Dancing in the Kitchen.
I'm Ashley.
And I'm Liz.
And today we've got a fabulous recipe for you that comes courtesy of Lauren Alicia, our postpartum doula and postpartum nutrition expert. She also talked about herbal medicine and healing with us, so catch that interview. But today we're going to prepare a congee that she shared with us. It's got turmeric, it's got ginger, it's got carrots, shredded chicken, very nourishing and warming for the postpartum period.
So, congee, I've never heard of that. So, can you explain maybe what that is?
Yes. So, I believe it comes from Chinese culture.
Okay.
I could be off on that. I think that's correct. But it is definitely like an Asian dish, and it's usually based with rice and like some vegetables and some meat. It's almost like a porridge or a stew.
Okay.
Very nourishing and very delicious. So it's jam-packed with all kinds of ingredients that help support postpartum healing.
Okay.
And additionally, Lauren shared with us an herbal tea. So it's a mineral tea that is also very healing. So we're going to get into that and share all those yummy ingredients with you and help set you up for success in supporting your postpartum journey if you are on one. And if not, share it with a friend who you think might enjoy it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, wait. Since pregnancy and birth and all this is like so divine and powerful and feminine,
Yes.
Liz has a song for us.
Yes, today is Yes Queen for our lovely pregnant queen over here.
And for all the lovely pregnant queens out there.
Yep.
Well, let's get cooking.
Roll up the lemon, VIP sipping it, dripping in confidence. Want it all, take it all, cut like a diamond ring. Perfect in clarity, that water running through your dreams. Baby, guess what she wants, and oh, never heard it. See this, I know it's working. Show me that you're worth it. All I wanna hear coming out your mouth is yes, queen. Queen, yeah, 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 oh, yeah, 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 yes, queen. All I wanna hear coming out your mouth is yes, queen. Queen, yeah, 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 oh, yeah, 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 yes, queen. All I wanna hear coming out your mouth is fuck boys don't apply. Kings take me home at night. All about what I like. Boy, you know just what to say. My body and hobby, all in how bad do you want me? Cause you know I got 'em lined up in the lobby. Oh, and oh, never heard it. See this, I know it's working. Show me that you're worth it. All I wanna hear coming out your mouth is yes, queen. Queen.
Looks really great. Turmeric.
Yum.
Hearty, delicious.
Very nourishing.
Yeah. I think it's just the right thing for pregnant women.
Yeah.
There's all kinds of nutrients.
Warming, recovery
Yes,
food.
yes. And
Really
you can
good.
batch cook it. It's great.
Yeah. I'm going to freeze some and save it for this guy.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that was really fun to make Lauren's recipe. I always
know.
love getting to like experiment with other people's
Yeah.
recipes and learn from them.
Yeah, it was great.
And very nourishing, very yummy, and really not too complicated either.
I wouldn't.
Plus something you can batch cook.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and that's a really pro tip for postpartum also is like batch cooking, freezing portions, planning ahead so that in the postpartum period somebody can just warm it up and bring it to the mom.
Absolutely. Make your life easier at every turn, right?
But having all of that set up in advance so that you can just be nourished and take that first 40 days to really kind of recover. There's actually a saying in the birth world that your 40 days postpartum, immediately postpartum, that recovery period will influence the next 40 years of your life.
Wow, that's pretty powerful.
I know, it's like kind of a lot of pressure.
It is. 40 days isn't a long time when you think about 40 years, right?
True, but the whole idea is just to really take care of yourself and nourish yourself and support yourself while you're healing. Because if you don't let yourself fully heal and recover, then you're going to be going forward depleted, and the demands are not going to be any less. They're just going to keep
We know
increasing.
those demands get pretty intense over time. So
They do.
yes.
Yeah, life problems get more complex and the stakes get higher.
No, you don't say.
No. But it's also really fun.
Yes. So we would love it if you like and subscribe. And we have our new Amazon storefront. And you can always,
TikTok shop.
TikTok shop us.
And get our merch.
Yes, absolutely. So,
And if you head over to our website, which is dancinginthekitchen.tv, you can put in your email address and download a free mood boosting food guide as well.
yes,
So,
absolutely.
all right, we will see you next time here on Dancing in the Kitchen.
Get up, dance, forget it all and